Hello, my people. Good evening. Na me, una pikin, una brother. Na me, Polo Raf. Na me dey talk so. Say, make I talk about the issue wey they bring come my table today. Make I talk about. The issue be say, the matter of one Mr. Kola for Denmark and Frances Osunde, an Nollywood actress for Benin, and the Mr. Kola wife for Denmark also. So the man in question, Mr. Kola, is 53 years old, and he get wife for Denmark. In with the wife, they don't date together for 20 years or more, and they can't get one beautiful daughter. The daughter say na 9 years, and the daughter dey. So this man in question, he can't go Nigeria, come meet this other girl, Frances Osunde, for Nigeria. In with Frances come dey since 2011, as we hear the story. So Frances and this man, they just new get a baby boy now. So the story be say, this man, Mr. Kola, he wife for Denmark. The wife, the paper depend on this man, and this man give the woman paper. So we know as Europe be. If person give you paper, when the person saying don't tire, you go cut the paper, the thing they affect us. But that law is different though. I don't know as other countries they be. But the country winning day so for that Denmark, a complicated story for that country. So the woman now, they plead with this man, make the man wait, make the paper they okay. That they pressure the man, or they against make the man not marry. But she don't dey long with this man, and the paper, she need the paper also, like we know as paper matter be here. So a lot of comments, I dey see comments for Facebook. A lot of people they blame the Frances. Make we remember, say Frances na woman. Hello, my people. Good evening. Na me, una pikin, una brother. Na me, Polo Raf. Na me dey talk so. Say, make I talk about the issue wey they bring come my table today. Make I talk about. The issue be say, the matter of one Mr. Kola for Denmark and Frances Osunde, an Nollywood actress for Benin, and the Mr. Kola wife for Denmark also. So the man in question, Mr. Kola, is 53 years old, and he get wife for Denmark. In with the wife, they don't date together for 20 years or more, and they can't get one beautiful daughter. The daughter say na 9 years, and the daughter dey. So this man in question, he can't go Nigeria, come meet this other girl, Frances Osunde, for Nigeria. In with Frances come dey since 2011, as we hear the story. So Frances and this man, they just new get a baby boy now. So the story be say, this man, Mr. Kola, he wife for Denmark. The wife, the paper depend on this man, and this man give the woman paper. So we know as Europe be. If person give you paper, when the person saying don't tire, you go cut the paper, the thing they affect us. But that law is different though. I don't know as other countries they be. But the country winning day so for that Denmark, a complicated story for that country. So the woman now, they plead with this man, make the man wait make the paper dey okay, that e no dey pressure the man, or e no dey against make the man no marry, but she don dey long with this man, and the paper, she need the paper also, like we know as paper matter be here. So a lot of comments, I dey see comments for Facebook, a lot of people dey blame the Frances. Make we remember, say Frances na woman o. Na the man go meet am. We no go blame Frances. We no go blame these women when e dey involved. My opinion be say, na the man, this thing wey we dey see so, na triangle. And when e come to love matter, wetin come from the heart, we no fit advise person. We only fit give opinion to that person. Na the same way na me I wan give my own opinion right now. Make we not blame anybody here. Make we not blame the Frances. Make we not blame the other woman wey e dey Denmark. Na the man na him make story e be like this o. So right now, the man now dey come next month now, make come finalize the divorce with this woman. And we know this woman don dey with this man o for 20 years. And my opinion, wey I wan tell this man, Mr. Kola, if you get this voice message, make you hear me well o. Man go prosper in life, na in hand the day. Man go destroy himself, na in hand the day. Anything wey we do today, we go reap am tomorrow. So, before you make any decision, Mr. Kola, as a man wey you be, make you consider also, say the good time, the years wey you take dey with this woman, 20 years, not be yesterday o. Make you think about when food no dey house, when una dey manage. Make you think about when you go say you no get, the woman go say leave am. Or when the woman no get, you go tell the woman say, sweetheart, leave am. Una go manage. 20 years no be here. And if you dey take decision, you go think about all this time. Make you think about her. When we dey think, make we no dey think only one way. We go think about the both ways. If this woman na bad woman, I'm not sure say you and this woman go dey for 20 years. If this woman na woman wey you no go fit tolerate, you no go dey with this woman for that years. You can't dey with this woman. This woman she come born, she come give you one daughter. That daughter na your blood, na it dey flow for that daughter. Na your blood dey flow for her vein. If at all say you wan do anything, or say the woman do you anything, find time, take your daughter picture, look your daughter face. Anything wey you do today wey you take favor the mother, you use am take favor the daughter. Na your daughter, na your name, na that pikin dey bear. Na your blood dey flow through that pikin. So any decision wey you go take now, make you take am, say look into the eyes of your daughter. Because na inside, you know how una take give birth to that baby. A woman wey no love you, a woman wey no ready to bear with you, you no go come carry that woman go altar, go marry am. Because when a man carry woman go altar, no be say eye blind. For you to go say I do for God eye, no be say they force you go there. And apart from say you can't go altar, go say I do, una can't get the fruit of that matrimony. Una baby can't come out. So make you think am. Make you think am. At least, if this woman now come don decide, say, okay, she don't lose you to Frances Osunde, make you marry her. Okay, she agree. but you go still let a woman wey let you go to another woman, you go still allow yourself say the woman the paper wey she go still take dey waka for Europe, still take dey take your own pikin wey you born, enter motor say dem no go fear say police go control dem, say she no go get one problem say dem go come deport am tomorrow. You go still let that paper still go away from her? You go still dey that heartless say you no go let that woman get paper? Make we dey think o. You fit get sister today, your sister fit dey the same situation wey this woman dey. Make you think am. You go let another man do am like that? Say your sister dey with this man for 20 years. Finally the man no marry am, and the paper wey the man for still give am say he go still, if wey the girl go still take dey survive now, the paper you go still come keep the paper for your hand. Tomorrow now your daughter fit dey holiday, you go say okay, he wan take your daughter now make dem go Disneyland Paris. She no go get paper take carry your pikin waka? My brother, make we think, abeg, make we think. No let anybody cajole you say make you come marry. We know Benin cultures and tradition. You don born, fine. Nobody, me, I no go. Love na your heart. Now you know where your heart dey. If na Frances you wan marry, you are free to marry her. But that marriage also, the marriage go still fit wait. If Frances na person wey get heart, wey get human feeling, she go still use her mind take tell you say the pikin, my pikin father, wait, this woman, she no dey heartless. She go still advise you. But now when she no advise you, na there e dey bad. Because Benin say the stick wey dem take beat the one wey you come meet for house, na im dem go take beat you. That one, e dey there like that. So for you man, make you sit down, comot for where family dey, comot for where everybody dey. No dey call this one, no dey call that one. Make you go. Na you stay with this woman for 20 years. Go sit down one place, my brother. Make you think. You go think how you take meet this woman, how una take manage, how una take survive, how you take dey with am for hospital, how you take carry that pikin wey she born for you, how you take use am enjoy, how you take do birthday for that pikin, how she take dey with you. You go think am. Say this paper, if I give this woman, na my pikin I give the paper too. So my opinion be say that divorce, make you try, make you hold on first. Another thing when I go talk be say, we know the pressure for Africa say you want a male child. But make you also know say this woman, na God dey bring pikin o. No be the woman dey manufacture pikin. No be the woman open her belle go come put male pikin there. Na wetin you do, na e go come out o. Na when God say this one na wetin she wan get, na she go get. Some family dey now, dey pressure the man. The man born women. They go pressure the man say go marry another wife. As he go marry another wife now, you come born boy for the family. Na that woman, when they commonize, na they will come raise the family. Na that boy, when they come born, come that house, you come be the one where they throw stone for zinc. We don't know tomorrow. Na only God, na I know tomorrow. That is why at times now we dey use our eye dey see am. Most families for Benin there na women na raise the family up o. No be say one born man for you because you think say e don born man for you, the one wey born woman for you, no be him. That one when he born that woman for you, make you know that daughter of yours when he dey Denmark tomorrow, that your daughter, if he be president, if he come out to come be somebody very important, the one way you come put eye, we don't know, but we pray, may the children where you born, may God give them hand, may God bless them, and may God continue to bless you. You be man. And we pray, we all thank God for giving ears to your cries and your prayers. Say God constantly bless you with this male child. God will bring the child for you. Now that same God go make the child, make it stay with you. You as a man now, is left for you to bring your house together. Let your children, may they know each other. Not say because say you don't see one fine young girl marry now, the one where you did before, that one is not coming again. No. If she not get pikin with you now, if she not get pikin with you, you not go even feel still do one like that. You must also still consider, say you and him don't dey for that years. You go still say, oh, this woman, he not do me one thing, he not do me bad. He dey, he not dey, she dey with me. So now this paper, make I give am. You go also look your daughter face also. Wetin you take wicked the mama, na your pikin you use am wicked. Wetin you take do good for the mama, na your pikin, na you use am do good for. Because this one now, when you say you wan marry, you go also think am. This one wey you marry, so you sure say this one go fit stay with you when e dey, when e no dey, when you old, when you no dey fit waka again, when you dey shit for body, when one thing happen to you, you need care. This one wey you meet, so you sure say go fit bear with you like that one wey bear with you for 20-something years. All those ones na matter wey you go consider also. My brother, my friend, make you consider am. The one way they say at times when we dey start am, we no dey know how the journey go be. So tomorrow, it don't happen for Europe, it don't happen for Nigeria. The way we put eye say something dey, we no go come see something there later. Na the other side, now we come go dey beg, make we go stay. Make you consider all those things. So the one way we meet for Nigeria and the one way they follow us, they suffer for Europe, we men, we know. You know wetin those things don't cost. If you dey think now, say you be 53 years, you get money, not be only you want be 53 years with that woman for Benin, where she don't first meet o. If you too get money, not be only you want, you never, she don't meet people wey get times 10 of wetin you get, she don't meet them before o. If she love you, she might love you. She might love you. I don't know, I cannot go into that. But wetin me, my opinion be say, where you dey come from, no scatter where you dey come from like that o. This word, this matter, e don go too far. We no know where e don go. We no know who don put am for mind. So make people dey pray for you, make it good for where you dey. Make you go arrange where you for dey come. Make you go arrange am. We be man, we not be God o. Na only God, na I know tomorrow. Human being, we no know tomorrow. When we dey marry, marriage no be place where you just throw, enter, you go stroll, come back. This beauty wey we dey see tomorrow, e dey fade o. If the beauty fade, na there, na we go come know love. Na there, wey maybe one thing come happen to person, you go see your na there, na care go come the day. That person, he go fit care for you. He go fit care. No be say we dey marry now, we go say he don born first pikin. Benin tradition, we know say once he don born male pikin, he go inherit your property. All those things, na wetin you as a man, you go consider. Make you not let anybody cajole you say, make you go right now, come go dey buy property, come go dey put pikin name. Because say you don born male pikin, make you know say na two pikin, na two children you get o. The hand wey you take hold this one, you go use am hold the other one. The love wey you show this one, you go show the other one. The one wey you show the mama of this one, you go show the mama of the other one. Na so man take dey do something, so that make man get long life. Make man get long life. At times, e no dey easy for man. E no dey easy. I know wetin you go dey think right now. I know how your mind go dey right now. I know the joy wey you get right now, say you fit get male child. But the woman wey e born woman pikin for you, no be animal she born o. That woman tomorrow, we no know who e go be. You go use instance now, Obama. You see as e dey now. When we dey read am for Bible, that time we say Joseph, he can't go be king for be king for Egypt. We go say na lie Bible dey talk. But when you see Obama now, a man wey papa from Kenya, he can't be president of America. All those things na wetin we dey consider o. Because all this tape wey everybody dey talk so, I believe say that woman for Denmark, she go save am. Maybe the future time when something go happen, when they go dey play this tape come out, you come be say na when that time man go come dey cry. Man go come dey cry. A lot of men, they leave the woman wey they dey with before, say the woman not fine, the woman not born man, he not do this, they run follow another woman. Later, na the one wey they run leave, na that one children, na I come go dey clean the man house. When the man get accident, na they pack his shit, they wear am cloth. That woman wey say not good though, the other one, when he see am say things don dey bad for the man, he carry her load, he run. Because she see am say she still young, she go marry another man. But if that kind man now, he treat the other family bad, if the people come play this message, they come plan for that their family, do you think those children go get mind, come take care of their father? Na im make us, the road wey we pass, we not dey spoil am. Abeg, that woman, if na that paper alone, do am for am. Not be only the woman you dey do am for, you dey do am for your pikin. You dey do am also for your breakthrough. Make people still dey pray for you. People go pray for you. People go thank you. Abeg. And secondly, you need to know also this marriage where you say you dey go so, whether na the marriage of interest. Say money dey there, my pikin no go suffer. May I just born the man pikin there, say the man go inherit the property. If na all those kind marriage, make you dey think well o, make you think am. We ought to marry for love, not be say for interest. All those things, na wetin you go think. And this girl wey you wan marry so, make you look am well o. Look am well. You are already 53 years. 7 years from now, you are 60 already o. Na there, when you don dey 60, body don dey break, na there you dey come know wetin dey. My brother, na my opinion, abeg, that woman for Denmark, if she no fit marry you, give am paper. That paper, at least, because of your daughter. Abeg. And the girl, Frances, for Nigeria, if this woman na bad woman, you know never see women wey be say they go dey pregnant, they no fit born. If this woman na bad woman, she no go let you born that pikin. This woman na good woman, na make her head, na dey with you wey you fit take born this boy wey you born so. So that kind woman, you think am for your mind say she deserve this kind thing? You be woman today. If na me be you, I go use wisdom. These things na wetin una dey act for film wey we dey watch here. Na make us dey support una Nollywood films. Una dey teach us something. But if e come be say na wetin una dey teach us, wey we dey learn from, na we come dey see from una wey dey teach us, how una want make we come take dey support and to dey believe una Nollywood film? I know say you be woman of wisdom. I don watch your movie. I be your fan. Try as a woman, sit this man down, advise this man, make he wait first. Una marriage, if una love una self, una marriage go hold on. Make this man go settle this woman. Make this woman get paper. You be woman o, make you think. Tomorrow, God na him know tomorrow. If it be your turn tomorrow, nobody know. As a woman, you get a big role to also play here. Sit that man down, talk to am. I don see woman wey go tell man say that your woman wey you dey with before, go open business for am, put money for her account, make sure say her life dey okay before you come marry me. I don see women like that wey don take that decision. They force their husband to settle the woman wey they divorce from. so that the woman no go suffer tomorrow. So that kind of woman, not be God, not be blessing, God go dey bless that kind of woman. If tomorrow people come dey hear say na you come follow this man, now this man come go divorce this woman, you don't think say people go leave you? Me will be your fan before. Me, I go stop to be your fan. I not go follow you again. No. Because now better thing, na person they follow. You get a big role to play here. I beg. Sit this man down. Talk to him. I know you are wise. You are very beautiful. You are very intelligent. You are eloquent. You have a big role to play. Talk to this man. Do not be quick. Do not be swift. Be swift to take actions. At times we might regret actions that we didn't take properly. Please speak with this man, Mr. Kola. I beg. Now my opinion, no, I don't know too much, but people, when you hear this voice message, if I not talk well, una still let me know.